Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Crystal. Crystal writes from Hoboken, New Jersey. And Crystal writes, I've been having a hard time finding a place to buy, and my younger sister has been trying unsuccessfully to find an apartment. Why is there such a shortage of housing, and what can be done about it? Well, Crystal, you're right. There is a housing shortage both for homes to buy and to rent for a number of reasons. And despite this housing shortage, there are lots of vacant lots, unused lots, and underdeveloped lots, particularly in cities where demand tends to be higher anyway. So, for example, there are over 75,000 vacant, unused, or underutilized lots in New York City alone. And one of the reasons why this happens is because of the skewed property tax system that we have in the United States that often disincentivizes building and encourages land speculation. And the reason is because property appraisals are based on two components. So they break the property into two components. One component is land, and the other component is building. And the land component is often taxed at a very low rate. And what that does, unfortunately, is encourages many investors to just buy land and sit on it and not develop it. And by the same token, there are often property taxes for multifamilies and other useful buildings are too high. So this mismatch exacerbates the housing shortage that we have. And one potential solution to this would be to increase the taxes on the land portion and decrease the taxes on the building portion. Because what that would do likely is to light a fire under vacant landowners to either build units or sell their property to someone who will actually build residential units. Adam Smith, the father of capitalism, was a proponent of land taxes. And I think a more efficient use of property and land that we have, particularly in cities, would do a lot to reduce the housing shortages, both for homes to buy as well as to rent. So thanks for your question, Crystal. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.